Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing or showing the search box from the taskbar on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Personalization from the left sidebar. In Personalization Settings, select Taskbar. The first option here in Taskbar Settings is for Search. Click the drop-down box and change it to Hide. As you can see, this will remove the box from your taskbar. You can also change it to show the search icon only. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.